we'd like to introduce you to a delicious new member of our meatball family. Presenting the salmon ball. Behind the scenes, our chefs have been hard at work for quite some time. It might seem easy enough to create a salmon ball, but it's been anything but. Quite frankly, it's been a struggle. Setbacks. Too coarse. Too smooth. Too bland. Too spicy. Basil? Nah. Dill? Maybe. Not only toiling away with the taste and texture, but also aiming to be good for both people and the planet. We want to offer our customers healthier and responsibly sourced food. We realize we can't do this alone. We need partners, carefully selected. They supply us with fresh ASC-certified salmon from the icy fjords of northern Norway. Sustainability is as important for them as it is for us. We hate letting good parts of this beautiful fish go to waste. Another struggle. How can we get the most out of it? More setbacks. Then success, using a simple teaspoon, by hand. Things start to fall into place. A little seaweed, color, texture, some lemongrass. Getting closer, just a pinch of salt. A recipe that reflects our Scandinavian heritage with flavors from around the world. Together with our partners, we're actually really proud to present this tasty little eat ball. Eat better, think sustainable. Let us serve you the salmon ball.